That's a brother.
Coffee and other plants that we shall find there. Then later we shall come and enter inside for the whole experience.
Okay.
Now we can go.
Perfect.
The booster goes well, a lot of rain.
Okay.
But there are some who are in hilly areas that will be planted aromatic.
Okay. Yes.
And once you have planted your coffee tree, you will have to wait for 2.5 to 3 years. That's when it will give you the first flowers.
Okay.
They are white in color. You can see there they are coming. Yeah. Once they are not yet open, but when they are open, within a week they just dry and fall down.
Okay.
Then the young beans start coming. You see, like here they are coming.
Yeah.
Then in
Yeah.
4 to 5 months, they have grown big
Yeah.
to this size and they start turning to red.
Okay.
And when they turn red, that's when we harvest.
Okay.
But now we have run out of the season on the green beans.
Okay.
When they turn red, we go around collecting only the red ones and take them home, sun dry them. 2-3 weeks, depending on the weather, they get dry.
Okay.
And when they are dry, that's when we start a process of making coffee powder.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
But you open it and the seed is inside, or you make dry the whole seed?
We first sun dry it
Yeah.
with its shell.
Yeah.
And when it is dry, that's when we open and get the inside, the seeds inside. Those are the ones that we roast.
I see. Okay.
As we shall see when we are back in the house.
Okay.
Yes.
And when is the season for harvest?
Now we have got 2 seasons in a year,
Yeah.
but for now we have just run out of the season.
Yeah.
We are waiting like in late October, November, December we'll be harvesting nuts.
Okay. So it will take still some time to get red.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So behind there is also another plant. Those are the vanilla beans. And once you plant your vanilla, you have first plant a tree. Since it is a climbing orchid, it needs support. And for vanilla, you have to be patient because once you have planted it, you have to wait for 5 years. That's when it will give you the first flowers. And even when it comes to time for pollination, vanilla is pollinated manually, whereby you have to look for a sharp object. When the flower comes, you open the flower, you join the 2 parts of the flower.
I see.
If not, don't expect to get the beans. And the vanilla is once a year. Because vanilla beans takes 9 months to be mature. And even when it comes to time for sun drying it, it takes 2 months to get for a dry, because in a day you have to put it on sun only for 2 hours, and you have to sun dry it while it is wrapped in our cloth.
Okay.
So that you maintain the aroma, it doesn't evaporate.
I see. But when it turns black, it's just because you put it under sun? I mean, you harvest it, it's still green when you harvest or not?
When it starts bringing a yellowish color, when they turn like here,
like this, okay.
That's when we harvest.
I see, okay.
Yeah. They become black when they are sun dried.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So that is all about our crops. We have got some avocado tree, banana for cooking. Have you tasted on our local food yet? You did?
Not a lot of things. I tried Rolex.
Rolex?
even the fruit is there. The passion. It's amazing.
You want to try, TJ? Si, vas-y, essaye. Vas-y, t'as jamais fait.
Like this.
But this does not destroy the seed.
They can't break. They are very hard. Even if now you get one and put it on tree with this, it will not break. It will just need some saliva to first soften it and then it will break. Yeah.
Then yes.
Now separating the husk from the clean beans.
beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow.
For me, no need of going to the gym. That's my gym.
Your sport is finished.
Yeah.
If you had to do that for every cup, wow. Pacifist.
Maybe the first cup goes to our coffee king.
Yes.
Ah,
Coffee king.
Ooh.
This one.
no.
Like me.
Yeah.
Take it black.
Okay.
No, yeah.
I prefer to.
Italian style espresso.
Ah, not Italian style.
No sugar.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah, no really. Excellent. Thank you.
I'm going for the banana pan.